Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description, and that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool bathroom mirror. And this was sent over by a company called Callsky. And as you can see, it is a nice edge-lit LED mirror that also has this nice black shelf here. So as far as install, it's decently pretty easy to install. One of the things I like about it, it has a continuous track along the back, and then you're gonna mount basically two brackets on either side. So it makes it very easy to slide into position if it's not quite centered, or if you're not very, very precise. You don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is make sure it's nice and level. Now, the mirror does look like it's attached to, or the shelf, it does look like it's attached to the mirror, but it's actually not. It has its own little screws, and then it slides up underneath. And then basically provides just a nice little shelf for small items or decoration pieces. Now, to give you an idea of this particular mirror that I have here, it's approximately about 32 inches from edge to edge in height, and then about 48 inches from width. So the band itself is about 2 inches around, so that the rest is actually your mirror surface. The shelf itself is about 27 and a half inches wide, and then it is about 4 3/4 inches in depth, and then depending on where it is, right here at the tallest part, it's about 8 3/4 before you hit the LED track section. Now, what's cool about this mirror, as you can see, it provides this very nice, soft lighting. It's great for when you're showering, just basically, or if you're taking a long, nice bath. It provides a nice ambiance light. So to activate it, all you're gonna have to do is sit here and tap the little sun icon when it's off. Once you turn it on, it's gonna be on its coolest temperature, which is 6,500 Kelvin. If you want to tap it again, now you're gonna go to the warmest temperature, which is around, let's say 3,000 Kelvin, which is more, this is great because it's more like candlelight. And then tap it a third time and you're gonna fall right there in the middle around 4,500 Kelvin. So you really can pick whatever color temperature you want. It does provide a nice even light across the whole mirror. So if you're utilizing this for makeup, for example, or getting ready in the morning, it's gonna very evenly light you. Now next to the sun is a little kind of swirly lines there. That is the heated mode because this has an anti-fog layout. So if you're taking a hot shower, there's gonna be a section in the middle that will not fog up because it's heating up that mirror surface, so that way it stays fog free. Just simply press the button to turn it on, press it again to turn it off. Now, if you do not turn off that fog button, it will automatically turn off after 30 minutes, so do keep that in mind. If you are taking a shower that's longer than 30 minutes, then yeah, it's going to turn off on you while you are in the shower. As far as the light itself, you can simply hold down the sun and you'll notice it will dim to the setting you want. It's basically going to dim quite low. I would say maybe it's like a 5%. So if you want it as a night light, you can do that, which is really, really awesome. Or you can press it and hold it down and get it all the way nice and bright for when you are utilizing it at nighttime. I don't even necessarily need to use my down lights up here above the mirror because the mirror itself is super nice and bright. And like I said, install is pretty decent. It's gonna come with all the different hardware that you need. Very simple to follow instructions that are very easy to read. They're also going to include a screwdriver to put together the shelf. You will need a drill to go ahead and drill in the various screws to support the mirror itself. Now, this mirror does simply just plug into a standard wall outlet. However, you can always cut open the cord if you are more experienced with electrical and hardwire the mirror if you wish. We just keep it plugged in and it works very well. The glass is tempered glass, so that is, if for some reason it does break, it is tempered glass, so it's going to come in those little pieces and stuff like that. You're not going to have big shards. And then it will remember the last setting. So if you do dim it down to a certain setting and you turn off the mirror, it will go right back to that setting So that way you can find which one you personally like, and it will go ahead and remember that. But overall, it's a really, really nice, modern looking mirror that really, really changes the ambiance of the space. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great edge lit mirror, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.